Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
We are going to solve practical problem number 8 on page number 248. One partner became insolvent. Now see, Sitaram, Gangaram and Rajaram are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:2:3. On 1st April 2019, they agreed to dissolve the partnership. Their balance sheet was as follows. See, balance sheet as on 31st March 2019, liabilities amount, assets amount. Now liability side, Sitaram 65,000, Gangaram 45,000 and Rajaram 7,000. There is a accumulated profit reserve fund 18,000, profit and loss account 5,400. Loan from Tukaram 10,000. Sundry creditors 12,000. Bills payable 4,600. Asset side, building 55,000. Machinery 25,000, furniture 12,000, investment 15,000, bills receivable 3,500, sundry debtors 21,000, stock 28,000, cash in hand 5,500, cash at bank 2,000. Total of balance sheet is 1,67,000. Now see, the assets realized, building 46,750, machinery 18,550, furniture 9,600, investment 10,650, bills receivables and debtors 20,750. All the liabilities were paid off. The cost of realization was 800. Now Rajaram became bankrupt and only 1,100 only was recovered from his estate. Prepare a realization account, capital accounts and bank account. Okay. Now to prepare realization account, partners capital account, loan from Tukaram account and bank account. Okay. It's bank account. Now, we will first transfer all the assets to realization. So, realization account debit to sundry assets, building 55,000, machinery 25,000, furniture 12,000, investment 15,000, bills receivable 3,500, debtors 21,000, stock 28,000. If you total up, this total comes to 1,59,500. Then we will transfer all the liabilities. Liabilities, see, creditors and only bills payable. Tukaram's loan we have prepared. So liabilities account debit, credit 12,000, bills payable 4,600, to realization account 16,600. After that, we are going to realize the assets or sell off the assets. Okay, so bank account debit, building was sold for 46,750, machinery 18,550, furniture 9,600, investment 10,650, bills receivable and debtors 20,750. This total comes to 1,06,300. Okay, now we will pay off the liabilities from the amount received after selling off the assets. To bank account, creditors we are going to pay 12,000, bills payable 4,600. There are realization expenses amounting to rupees 800. This total ups to 17,400. Okay. Now if you total up this side is heavy because here only 1,59,500 comes, 17,000. So debit side is higher and this totals to 1,76,900 minus 1,06,300 minus 16,600. The remaining is what? 54,000. Now it is on the credit side is smaller than the debit side. That means there is a realization loss. Okay, there is a realization loss. By partners capital account, we are going to share this in their profit sharing ratio, that is 4:2:3. So it will come Sitaram 24,000, Gangaram 12,000 and Rajaram 18,000. Here we have completed the realization account. Okay, now see capital accounts. First we are going to write down the balances. By balance carried down 65,000, 45,000 and 7,000. Then on the credit side, liability side, there was general reserve and profit and loss. So we have distributed in their profit sharing ratio, that has come to 8,000, 4,000, 6,000. Okay, general reserve. Then profit and loss account, Sitaram 2,400, Gangaram 1,200 and Rajaram 1,800. Then we will transfer the realization loss, which we have written on the credit side of realization, by partners capital account. On the capital account, we are going to write on the debit side to realization 54,000, 12,000, 18,000. Okay. Now what happened? See here 18,000. This total of Rajaram is less than 18,000. How much it comes to? 15,900 it comes to. Okay. See what happened? Rajaram became insolvent. That means he became bankrupt. He could not pay. And he had just paid rupees 1,100 from his private estate. So by bank, Rajaram's column 1,100. Now here also I have taken to Rajaram's capital 1,100. Okay. Now his deficiency. See here 18,000, here 15,900. I will just first explain you the working and then we'll go to the sum. See, Rajaram became insolvent. Opening balance as per capital account was 6,000, reserve fund, sorry 7,000, then reserve fund 6,000, profit and loss account 1,800, add cash from his private estate 1,100. This totals up to 15,900. And there is a realization loss of rupees 18,000, which is loss is higher. That means there is a net liability on him of rupees 2,100. उसका अकाउंट में अभी भी कितना कम पड़ रहा है? 2,100 रुपये कम पड़ रहा है, 2,100. Now this 2,100, the solvent partners. Who are the solvent partners? Sitaram and Gangaram. They are the solvent partners. They are going to bear this net liability of Rajaram. तो वो कैसे आएगा? देखो 2,100 इंटू सीताराम का शेयर क्या था? 4:2:3 था. अभी 3 क्या हो गया? वो तो लाइबल ही नहीं, वो बैंकरप्ट हो गया, तो उसको निकाल दो. तो अभी कौन बचे पार्टनर्स? सीताराम एंड गंगाराम. What is their profit sharing ratio? 4:2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So 2,100 into 4/6, 2,100 into 2/6. That comes to 1,400 and 700. Here to Rajaram's capital. राजाराम को हमने कैपिटल दिया है, तो सीताराम से माइनस हो जाएगा 1,400. ये दिस विल बी माइनस फ्रॉम सीताराम्स कैपिटल 1,400. राजाराम में गंगाराम में से कितना माइनस होगा? 700. और ये कैपिटल हम लोग इसका जो कैपिटल है वो यहाँ पर डालेंगे. तो बाय सीताराम्स कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन, सीताराम ने कितना दिया है राजाराम को? 1,400. गंगाराम ने कितना दिया है राजाराम को? 700. अभी दोनों की टोटल 18,000 आ रही है. सी दी टोटल, डेबिट की और क्रेडिट की, बोथ दी टोटल्स आर टैलिंग. ओके, सी बोथ द टोटल्स आर इक्वल, अभी खत्म हो गया. ये इंसॉल्वेंट, वन पार्टनर इंसॉल्वेंट है. सी दी वर्किंग. Then now we will go to the solvent partners. Gangaram's credit side is 50,200 minus 12,700. So it will be 37,500. To bank 37,500. Sitaram credit side total 75,400 minus 25,400. तो कितना हो गया? 50,000. Exact 50,000. Now, is it clear to you? ये समझ में आ गया? Now see, loan from Tukaram by balance brought down 10,000 हमने लिखा है, and we have paid the loan of rupees 10,000 through cash. So to cash, here the loan account is also closed. Bank account, see, by balance brought down, bank account 2,000. There was cash as per the balance sheet, 5,500. That also we have taken it here in the cash account. To cash 5,500. Realization asset बेचकर कितने पैसे आए? 1,06,300. After selling of the assets, how much amount is received? 1,06,300. That we have debited in the bank account. Now after that we are going to pay off. We have already paid loan of Tukaram 10,000. Then the liabilities 12,000 plus 4,600 plus 800, 17,400. By realization liabilities pay off कर दिए. And here the balances of capital 50,000 of Sitaram and Gangaram, 37,500 is paid. So now if you do the calculations of debit side plus credit side, that is equal to 1,14,900. I hope this sum you have understood well.